Hello, hi, I am your balloon teacher, Cindy Popaloon. Now, I'm going to teach you how to make this balloon sword. Now, let's inflate a 260 size long balloon. Okay. Then, tie it. When inflating it, just leave a little bit at the end. Just leave a little bit at the end. Then, gently massage it here to make it a little more elastic. Now, your balloon is very simple. Hold it with both hands. The length of your hands. Both hands. Now, at this point, we're going to make a small bend. Then make another small bend. Okay. This bend should be about the length of one hand. If your hand is smaller, actually, it depends on how big you want it to be. Then, at the middle of this bend, fold it. Fold it. Twist it. It will look like this, and where you hold it. If you feel it needs to be shorter, you can make it shorter. If you need it longer, it can be 2 or 3 hand lengths. Now, here, we'll try to make it straight. Like this. Your balloon sword is done. Isn't it easy?